Be sure to follow these guidelines when installing the outlet. Remember to shut off the power that is running to your outlet before you do any work with installing or uninstalling electrical devices. Here's a basic explanation of the anatomy of your wiring. A standard electrical box will typically have 1 or 2 sets of cables going into them. The most common brand is Romex. Each cable typically contains 3 individual wires: line, that's black; ground, that's a bare copper; and neutral, that's white. The end of each wire needs to have some of the inner metal exposed in order to make contact with your connections to the outlet. This requires that you strip the sheathing off the end of the wires. The length of the strip is indicated on the back housing of the outlet. When connecting 2 or more wires to the same spot, they get twisted together and either inserted into the outlet or held together with wire nuts with one strand sticking out, called a pigtail, to make connection easier. Now that you understand the wiring, be sure to remove any existing hardware. If you're installing the outlet into an existing structure, you'll likely need to remove whatever is in there currently. If this is a brand new construction site, you should be able to skip this step. Attach wiring. Now that your wall box is free to accept the outlet, let's wire it up. Connect your live, ground, and neutral wires to the back of the outlet with the corresponding connections, conveniently marked with L, G, N, and standard wire colors to make things easier. If you have 2 wires of the same color, remember to twist them together as shown. Make sure the screw is tightened well once your wires are fully inserted. Now you're ready to screw in the housing. Once the wires are fully secured, you can press the housing and the wires into the wall box neatly. Use the 2 screws supplied to attach the outlet to your wall box. Once you've screwed in the housing, you can simply snap on the faceplate. Congratulations! You did it! Your outlet is now fully installed and ready to use. Don't forget to turn your power back on once you're finished with the installation.